Bitcoin has been ranging for a month now between dollar and dollar, with the price seeing higher lows and lower highs. That suggests some consolidation is ongoing on the daily, with Bitcoin unsure about where to go now. On longer time frames, there has arguably been a years-long consolidation, but with higher highs and higher lows. Bitcoin's price on weekly candles, OT 2021, can see the above chart as a sideways in some way since early 2018, with it somewhat still continuing to today. As shown in the featured image, however, there is a smaller triangle on the hourly or daily, with Bitcoin either headed for an overtaking of dollar, or for yet another retest of dollar. As far as fundamentals are concerned, arguably there is a stronger case for seeing whether the dollar can fall due to Western governments now being in debt, which suggests significant monetary devaluation is to be expected. UP's government, for example, is now deep in debt at nearly 100% of GDP. Long gone are the days when they were debating whether they could pass the self-imposed 40% of GDP threshold, with the justification back then being the banking crisis was exceptional. The deep cuts that then followed only slowed down debt growth, with any discipline thrown out completely this year. With the economy struggling, tax rises or public spending cuts are probably not under consideration for now. Meaning only monetary devaluation is an option, and of that there is plenty. EC has ramped up its balance sheet expansion. Total assets rose by a whopping €, to a fresh all-time high of €. As banks took €157 billion in long-term loans, on key, €. End of quarter adjustments have slowed the rise somewhat. EC's balance sheet now equals 66% of Eurozone's GDP. These are borrowing powers, not spending powers, as Powell doesn't tire from reminding us, so you can enjoy the monetary devaluation for now, but a monetary contraction will probably follow. Unless they just keep endlessly printing, with some $4 trillion added to US gov debt this year. It is not quite debt, however. It is banks printing this out of nothing, then giving it to the government, which really means to the people but through corrupt holes, and then they ask the people to pay back what they printed from nothing, but now to pay it back to the banks with interest, or otherwise the banks won't to print from nothing anymore to give it to the people for them to pay it back through taxes, fines and licenses, but with interest. It doesn't make much sense, which is why they now suggesting the go. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.